Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Generally, we all love pizzas, isn't it? Well, today I'm showing you a non-tiring, effortless method of making pizza bombs. The flavor's intact, the process intact, but you can freeze it and enjoy it at ease. Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to Rajshri Food. Today I'm showing you pizza bombs. Let's begin. First things first, you need a soft and pliable pizza dough. Well, I've already kneaded it and I've kept it ready. It's a very simple process, a very simple recipe. All you need to do is you need to check the description box below for a detailed recipe with measurements. That's the dough, which is of course ready here with me. Just bringing it out, and you need to knead this one more time. You need to add in some refined flour and just kind of dry it out slightly. Roll the pizza dough into a neat little cylinder. You need to cut these into marble-sized balls, like so. The next step is to dredge a little bit of flour. Take these individual little marble-sized balls and roll these into a thin disc, which is roughly around 2 inches in diameter. The next step is absolutely simple. All we need to do is add in just a touch of tomato sauce or tomato ketchup or pizza or pasta sauce. Add in a sprig of fresh herbs. You can use thyme, you can use oregano. Choice is absolutely yours. And lastly, I'm going to add in a cube of mozzarella cheese. All you need to do is bring all of this together, applying a little water on the sides. Otherwise, it's not going to stick at all. Bring all of this together, roll it, and keep it aside for now. Our pizza bombs are stuffed and ready. Let's move on to the next step, and that is making a slurry and crumbing them. Just a little bit of water in refined flour. As good and simple as this is, the slurry is done and ready. The next step is to bring the breadcrumbs. Well, you can use the fresh ones or the toasted ones. Choice is yours. Let's drop these bombs which have been stuffed into the slurry. Let's roll it properly and well and transfer this into the breadcrumbs. As simple as that. Let's dredge this with breadcrumbs, and here you have your first pizza bomb, which is now stuffed, dipped in slurry and crumbed, ready to fry. These can also stay best frozen and enjoyed whenever you want. Keep these in the freezer and enjoy maximum 30 days, not more. Let's move on to deep frying as a technique. Well, this may seem to be a lot of oil, but whenever you choose deep frying as a cooking technique, always try and use Emami healthy and tasty refined rice bran oil because it kind of gets absorbed lesser. It's also a healthy variety of oil because of oryzanol. It's also enriched with vitamin D, and that keeps your bone health in check. Remember that. The oil is heated up and our pizza bombs have also rested well. Let's deep fry these. They're golden fried and ready. Let's rest these well and also use a kitchen paper to kind of drain all the excess oil. Nothing tastes better than deep fried pizza, and when I say that, I absolutely mean it 100%. Make this for your family and friends, for your game nights or party nights, and trust me, you all will crave for more. On that note, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Rajshri Food.